Hi everybody, today I'm going to be reviewing a package that Double Dip Nails sent me. I also got these false tips from Amazon that I'm going to be trying out with the dip. But let's get into the package. Let's make sure you guys can see. Okay, so this is what they sent me. They gave me a PR invite, so this was free to me. And there's the coupon code, expires within 30 days, but it's free dip. These are all their hashtags and accounts. Let's see. And then some more about them. And yeah, there's that. And this is what they sent me, and it says like the price of everything that would have been. Oh, okay, so it comes with like a little, I got all my stuff out, but I guess it comes with like a little kit. So let's take this out of the box first. So the first thing is this little box. Again, make sure you can see. Free gift. Later, so step 3, that's the activator. Step 4, that's the top. And step 2, that's base. So there's no step 1, I think that's just probably the dehydrator. And what you do, and I think I have some dehydrator over here. If not, I can go grab some. And then these are the colors they sent me. So there's this color called Burning Ember. And, looks like that. It's a mess. I kind of like that color though. It's not very summery. This one's more summery. It's Spiced Coral. The other one came off light. It looks like that. That one actually smells really good too. And then there is Magnetic. I think I will use this one today. And that's what that looks like. Alright, and this is like a little kit. So it comes with a brush to dust off the extra powder. Some tips for swatching, and they sent me 3 that I could swatch with it. And then it looks like this little kit, which comes with a file, a buffer, cuticle pusher, and then some extra brushes for the activator and all that stuff. So what I'm going to do, well, first I'm going to go get something to put above this mat, and then I will do all my nail prep off camera, and then I will show you guys reviewing the product. I think I'm going to use the gray color, and yeah, so I'll be right back. Alright, so my nails are all prepped, and with the tips on, honestly the hardest part of prep was getting the right size, going from square to rounded for my nails. And then for the tips, I noticed that like the changes in sizes were like quite large. So one was in, like if one was way too small, I'd go to the next size and it would be like way too big. So that was kind of annoying. So always go a size up and kind of like not go a size up, but like go for the larger size and like kind of file down the sides, which is what I did. But for prep, I buffed my nails and wiped with alcohol, applied the tips with Kiss brush on nail glue. Then I shaped the tips, I cut and shaped the tips, and then I buffed the nails, again wiped with alcohol, and then applied this cherry nail prep, which is a dehydrator for the natural nails, just on the natural part of my nails. So, one thing I do wish that they sent me or like gave the option, I mean, I could have bought it, but like would have been nice to have come in one package. Would have been a clear, because I would like to put a clear down before the color and after the color, but it's just in case of like staining, and then like when you're shaping after, then it won't rub off some of the color. But we're just gonna go ahead and get into it. I kind of wanna go off the correct thing. Let's see, double dip instructions. Let's see. Because I also wish it would have come like as a starter kit with instructions. I've only done dip a couple times. I've used the Kiara Sky one on my friend, and then at nail school practicing with some of theirs. So I use prep. Apply a thin base coat. Alright. Here's my soft brush, I think brush off excess. Okay. Activator. File, another activator, and then, okay, so we just use pretty much the base for a minute. That's the activator, that's the top. So we will go with the base. Making sure to cap the free edge. And then dip. Why did that go on like that? I have absolutely no idea. Okay, well, we'll fix that. It's not like it's where the tip was added, because like on here I can see where the tip is, and I can see where the tip is on there, but I keep getting. Making sure to really get the cuticle area, because on the last one, oops, doesn't look like I did the best job at that. That one looks the best so far. Yeah. Everything with nails just takes practice. And I don't think, oh no, I was gonna say I don't think I've done dip with tips before, but I have on other people. I've never done dip on myself. So this is my first time doing it on myself. And then we'll add some more, making sure to get the areas that I missed last time. Also, I think I'm just gonna do one hand on camera. Okay, that kind of evened out the. See, why is it doing that on my thumb? I do not know why it looks like that. But again, we will fix it with shaping. Ooh. The odor is kind of hurting my eyes. I have very sensitive eyes. As far as I know, the base and top are just a type of glue. So that's what differentiates it from like acrylic, because you're just using like a glue as the bonder instead of like a monomer liquid. Making sure in the camera. I think I will do 1 or 2 more layers. Some of the color in the glue is definitely coming off on the brush. I don't know if I'm supposed to wait a couple minutes after dipping it, or wait a little bit after dipping it. See. Definitely flooding my cuticles just a little bit. All right. And now I believe the next step is to apply the activator, which I believe just helps dry the glue in the dip. Look at my thumb is atrocious. It's gonna need a lot of shaping. I'm gonna let that sit for a minute, and then I'm gonna do some shaping off camera, and hopefully they look better, because this isn't my best. Alright, so I did some shaping. They're still a little bumpy. Probably could have done better with an electric file, but I don't really prefer to use electric files. So I just hand filed it, and also cut myself a little bit because I was being too rough. But, so now I believe, let's double check the instructions. Apply last coat of activator, apply a quick top coat to all nails to go back. And you apply, what? Whatever. Okay, I'm not quite sure what that meant, but we're going to apply activator again. Alright, I'm gonna let that dry for just a second. Then I'm going to apply the double dip top coat. Oh, it's kind of probably spilled a little bit in the package. Let's see if I can even get this open. I think it's just very stuck in there, and then that probably won't help. Let's see if I can just clean that up a little bit. Made a little bit more of a mess, but a lot of a mess, but okay. Ouch. Alright, let's move on from that and apply a top coat. Alright, I will let that dry and do the other hand off camera and most likely apply my No Wipe Bio Seaweed Gel top coat. This is my favorite top coat right now, so I'll most likely apply that and some cuticle oil, and then I will show you guys the finished look. Alright, so this is the final result. Definitely need a good hand wash after, but this hand definitely turned out worse because I did it kind of quickly and didn't shape it as well. I might take my nail drill out later and shape them some more, but I put a gel top coat on just because I like the shine a little bit more. Honestly, I was really impressed with the shine of the double dip top because I know when I use Chiarosky and the one at school, it wasn't very shiny, and that's why I always like to use a gel top coat. But yeah, this is the finished result. Thank you so much for watching. So far, I really like Double Dip's products. The only nail I'm worried about is this one because I think I put the tip down too low and it didn't have enough natural nail to like bond to. So if that one pops off, it's like totally new. Other than that, I think I prepped pretty well, and I think they should last pretty well. Maybe with some more shaping, they'll look better. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much Double Dip for sending me this PR package. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys.